In this video, I'm giving you the most powerful self-love affirmation that will create amazing transformation in your life. Are you excited? I'm sure you are. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I believe all of you are watching our videos and creating magical transformations and success stories in your life. If you are new here, you can hit the subscribe button and bell icon so that you won't miss any notification in future. So when you are manifesting your desires, goals and dreams, one of the most important key component in your manifestation is self-love. Yes, self-love is the key because that's how you feel absolute control in your life. That's where you align with the law of attraction, and that's when magic started happening in your life. And especially when you are manifesting a relationship, whether you are manifesting your new soulmate, or whether you are attracting your life partner, or whether you are healing your broken relationship, attracting an ex or a love back, in all these cases, self-love is the key. And most of you who are not manifesting your soulmate or a new relationship, or not able to heal your relationship, then you are missing this key component, which is self-love. That is why it is said, when you fall in love with yourself, the whole universe will love you back. Most of the time, people are not able to heal their relationship. It's because they're so busy in loving the other person, and they're so busy in ignoring themselves, that their vibration goes so down that they will never able to create such a positive energy that the other person could feel that positivity, feel that bonding, and they will create magic in their relationship and they could be able to heal it. So the key to your happy and loving and joyful life is self-love. And the key to create self-love in your life is using self-love affirmation on a daily basis. And you can use this affirmation along with other affirmations. If you are doing some affirmation for relationship healing, manifesting soulmate, money, job, you can do these affirmations along with those affirmations, because they are not in contradictory, or they are not pulling away your energy, because self-love is the key to all kind of manifestation. So here are the 3 most powerful self-love affirmation that you should practice on a daily basis, that you should say yourself on a daily basis, which will raise your vibration and which will enhance your self-love to the utmost level possible. And the affirmations are, the first one is, I love myself happily and joyfully. The second one is, I love and appreciate myself for who I am. And the third one is, I'm worthy of love, joy and success. So these are the 3 most powerful affirmations that you should say on a daily basis. You should say them morning and at night, or in the evening or afternoon, whenever possible, but say them with so much of energy, so much of joy, so much of positivity, that you could create amazing vibration in your mind, body and soul, and you could feel so much of positivity and so much of energy. Then you start manifesting everything. So what are the affirmations? I love myself happily and joyfully. I love myself happily and joyfully. I love myself happily and joyfully. I love and appreciate myself for who I am. I love and appreciate myself for who I am. I love and appreciate myself for who I am. I am worthy of love, joy and success. I am worthy of love, joy and success. I am worthy of love, joy and success. So you can write down these 3 affirmations in your phone or in your notebook, in your journal, and every day take 3 minutes time and say them again and again and again and again and again until it goes inside your mind. And how do you know these affirmations are working? Because you start feeling more positive, you start feeling more joyful about you, you stop criticizing yourself, you stop finding fault in yourself, you start feeling so magical, comes from within, you start feeling absolute positivity coming from within. If it start coming from within, means that's the point you are ready to manifest everything, and that's where you are in love with yourself. If it's not coming, then you are not manifesting. There's so many people who are feeling sad, negative, unhappy, and they are criticizing themselves, and they are wondering why they are not manifesting. My friend, that way you cannot manifest anything. Remember the core of the law of attraction: like attracts like. So if you are in love with yourself, you will attract love from other people. If you are in love with yourself, you will attract love from everyone around. If you are criticizing yourself and you expect other people to love you, it's not going to work. If you are criticizing yourself, if you are cursing yourself, if you are unhappy with yourself for who you are, then you will be keep attracting more criticism, more negativity from everyone around. Change yourself, change your inner beliefs, and everything else in your life will change. That's the key of the law of attraction. That's the key of life. So now it's time for you to be in love with yourself so that you could able to manifest all your goals, desires, and dreams, because you deserve them. Always remember, you are a magical creation of the universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome Easy. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button. And if you want to manifest more in your life by inculcating self-love and magic of gratitude, then you can join my highly powerful 32 days program, which is 28 magical practice. That program is all about self-love and gratitude, and especially people who are going through extreme negativity, they are going through depression, they are struggling to feel positive and struggling to feel happy in their life. This program, 28 magical practice, has created magical transformation in their life. If you want to transform yourself, you can join it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome Easy.